So hi everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock your iPhone using your face recognition without removing your mask. So let's take a look. So look at my iPhone is locked and I'm going to unlock it using my face without removing my face mask. Look at that. Look closer. I'm going to unlock it without removing my face mask. That's it. In order to do it, so you just have to go to settings, and then after settings, go to general, then after general, go to software update. So you go to software update, check the version of your operating system. It should be OS 15.4.1. Recently, the Apple released the update, including the option in unlocking your mobile using your face recognition without removing your face mask. So that's it, guys. If you like the video, please comment down below and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.